So why questions and answers? Today we are going to work on why questions and answers. All right. Nandini, repeat after me. Why am I in the city?
Why am I in the city?
You are in the city to speak
You
English.
are in the city to speak English.
Why are we in the city?
तेच रिपीट करू का सर?
Why are we in the city? Just
Why
repeat after
are
me.
we in the city?
We are in the city to speak English.
We are in the city to speak English.
Why? Just try to understand the formation, everybody, because I'm going to ask you the questions later. So try to understand the formation. So we are just repeating. Why are you in the city?
Why are you in the city?
I am in the city to speak English.
I am in the city to speak English.
Why are you in the city?
Why are you in the city?
We are in the city to speak English.
We are in the city to speak English.
Why are Ram and Sham in the city?
Why are Ram and Sham in the city?
Ram and Sham are in the city to speak English.
Ram and Sham are in the city to speak English.
Why is he in the city?
Why is he in the city?
He is in the city to speak English.
He is in the city to speak English.
Why is she in the city?
Why is she in
Vijay,
the city?
repeat after me. Baba Sahib, Rutuja, everybody repeat after me. Avantika, Mayuri, Shivani, in mute status you have to repeat after me. Why is it in the city?
Why is it in the city?
It is in the city to speak English.
It is in the city to speak English.
Why is Ram in the city?
Why is Ram in the city?
Ram is in the city to speak English.
Ram is in the city to speak English.
Yeah, Mayuri, if it is possible, would you please turn on the video? Mayuri, Shivani, Avantika, Rutvik, turn on your videos. Okay, now answer me. Nandini, answer me. Why am I in the college? You are in the college for the admission. Okay, answer me. Why am I in the college?
Why am I the sorry, Kana?
Why am I in the college? You are in the college for admission. Okay.
Okay.
Why am I in the college?
You are in the city. You are in the college admission.
You are in the college for admission. Okay.
For admission.
Why am I in the college?
You are in the
college.
College from college. Your college.
Just slow down.
Once
slow
again,
down.
sir.
You are in the college.
You are in the college
for admission.
From admission. You are in the college from
not
for admission.
Correct. Okay.
You are in the college for admission.
Correct. Why are we in the college?
We are in the college from admission.
From not for.
For. Okay, sir.
Okay. Why are you in the college?
I am in the college for admission.
Why are you in the? Everybody is answering. Not, this is not a listening class. I told you everybody. This is not a listening class. Why are they in the college?
They are in the college for admission.
Why are Ram and Sham in the college?
Ram and Sham are in the college for admissions.
Why is he in the college?
He is in the college for admission.
Why is she in the college?
She is in the college for admission.
Why is it in the college?
It is in the college for admission.
Why is Ram in the college?
Ram is in the college for admission.
Okay, Baba Sahib, answer me. Why am I in the garden? You are in the garden for fun. Okay, why am I in the garden?
You are in the garden for the fun.
Why are we for fun only?
Yeah.
Why are we in the garden?
We are in the garden for
Everybody
fun.
is answering. Everybody is answering. Why are you in the garden?
I am in the garden
for fun.
For fun.
Why are you in the garden?
We are in the garden for fun.
Why are they in the garden?
Means they are in the garden for fun.
Why are Ram and Sham in the garden?
Ram and Sham in the garden
are
for
in
fun.
the garden.
Ram and Sham are in the garden for the fun.
Why is he in the garden?
He is in the garden for the fun.
For fun, not the fun.
For fun.
Why is she in the garden?
She is in the garden for fun.
Why is it in the garden?
It is in garden for fun.
Why is Ram in the garden?
Ram is in garden for fun.
Very good. Okay. Now answer me, Vijay. Why am I in on the stage? On the stage. Okay. Why am I on the stage? You are on the stage for seminar. Why am I on the stage? You are on the stage for seminar. Okay. Answer me. Why am I on the stage? Vijay Gaikwad.
Yes, sir.
Why am I on the stage?
Repeat, sir.
Why am I on the stage?
You are
On the stage for seminar. Okay. Why am I on the stage? Okay. Rutvik, answer me. Why am I on the stage?
You are on the stage for seminar.
Why are we on the stage?
We are on the stage for seminar.
Why are you on the stage?
I am there on.
I am on the stage for seminar. Why are you on the stage? Second you. We are on the stage for seminar. Huh?
I am there on the stage for seminar.
Why are they on the stage?
They are on the stage for seminar.
Why are Ram and Shyam on the stage?
Ram and Shyam are on the stage for seminar.
Why is he on the stage?
Yes, sir.
Why is he on the stage?
He is on the stage for seminar.
Why is she on the stage?
She is on the stage for seminar.
Why is it on the stage? It is on the stage.
It is on the stage for seminar.
Why is Ram on the stage?
Ram is there on
On the
stage
stage
for
for
seminar.
seminar. Ram is on the stage for seminar. Got it? So Mayuri, answer me. Why am I in the temple? You are in the temple for happiness. Okay. Mayuri, answer me.
Yes,
Why am I in the temple?
you are in the temple for happiness.
Why are we in the temple?
We are in the temple for happiness.
Why are you in the temple?
I am in the temple for happiness.
Why are you in the temple?
I am in the temple for happiness.
Why are they in the temple?
They are in the temple for happiness.
Why are Ram and Shyam in the temple?
Ram and Shyam are in the temple for happiness.
Why is he in the temple?
He is in the temple for happiness.
Why is she in the temple?
She is in the temple for happiness.
Why is it in the temple?
It is in the temple for happiness.
Why is Ram in the temple?
Ram is in the temple for happiness.
Okay, Rutuja, answer me. Why am I in the library? You are in the library for knowledge. You are in the library for knowledge. Everybody is answering me. See, this is not a listening class, but then also a lot of students are in a mood of listening mood. So I just want you, do not listen to these all lectures, because it will be not useful for you all. Just keep speaking with me. All right, Rutuja, answer me. Why am I in the library? Why am I in the library? You are in the library for knowledge.
You are in the library for college.
Knowledge. Okay. Why are we in the library?
We are in the library for knowledge.
Why are you in the library?
I am in the library for knowledge.
Why are you in the library?
We are in the library for knowledge.
Why are they in the library?
They are in the library for knowledge.
Why are Ram and Shyam in the library?
Ram and Shyam are in the library for knowledge.
Why is he in the library?
He is in the library for knowledge.
Why is she in the library?
He is in the library for knowledge.
Why is Ram in the library?
Ram is in the library for knowledge.
Very good. Good job. Okay. Why am I in the company? Answer me. Avantika, answer me. Why am I in the company? You are in the company for job. You are in the company for job. And Avantika, answer me. Why am I in the company?
I am in the company for job.
Why are we in the company?
We are in the company for job.
Why are you in the company? I am
in the company for job.
Okay, can you see the notes, Avantika? Can you see the notes? So you are going to
yes,
answer
sir,
me with the help of notes. You are going to answer me with the help of notes. Okay. Why are they in the city? Why are they in the library? Why are they in the office? Sorry, why are they in the company? They are in the company for job. One second, answer me. Why are they in the company?
They are in the company to job for job.
For job. For job. Why are Ram and Shyam in the company?
Ram and Sham are in the company for job.
Why is he in the company?
He is in the company for job.
Why is she in the company?
She is in company for a job.
Why is it in the company?
Is
It
it
is.
in?
It is.
It is in the company for a job.
Why is Ram in the company?
Ram is in the company for job.
Okay, okay. Shivani, answer me. Why am I in the class? You are in the class for lecture. Okay. Why am I in the class? Shivani, Pal.
She can't answer.
Okay,
Give
okay,
you
okay.
the
No
answer.
problem. Vijay Gaikwad, answer
She
me.
is in class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Vijay Gaikwad, answer me. Why
Yes,
am I
sir.
in the? Why am I in the class? You are in the class for lecture. Okay. Why am I in the class?
You are in the class for lecture.
Why are we in the class?
We are in the class
Class for lecture.
for lecture.
Why are you in the class?
I am in the class for lecture.
Why are you in the class?
We are in the class for lecture.
Why are they in the class?
They are in the class for lecture.
Why are Ram and Shyam in the class?
Ram and Sham are in the class for lecture.
Why is he in the class?
He is in the class for lecture.
Why is she in the class?
She is in the class for lecture.
Why is it in the class?
It is in the class for lecture.
Why is Ram in the class?
Ram is in the class for lecture.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in this way we talked about why questions and answers. Now we are going to go for next question, that is what question answer. It is very simple. So everybody's just repeat after me. Just repeat after me. Just repeat after me. Baba Sahib, just repeat after me. So everybody will understand it. Okay. What is in the city?
What is in the city?
What was in the city?
What was in the city?
What will be in the city?
What will be in the city?
Got it? What
Yes,
is
sir.
inside the bag? What was inside the bag? What will be inside the bag? So you are going now in this question, everybody is going to ask me questions and I am going to answer. Okay?
Okay.
Ask me questions, Baba Sahib. What is in
Yeah.
the city? What was in the city? What will be in the city? Start.
Yeah. What is on the top?
No. Go with the what is in the city, then what is inside
Okay,
the
okay,
bag, then
okay.
what is at the
What
end.
is in the city?
The museum is in the city.
What will be in the city?
What was in the city? Quick.
ठीक हो, what was in the city?
The project was in the city. What will be?
What will be in the city?
The new company will be in the city, inside
What-
the bag.
What is inside the bag?
The mobile is inside the bag.
What was inside the bag?
The mobiles were inside the bag.
What will inside the bag?
What will not? What will be?
What will be? What will be inside the bag?
The mobiles will be inside the bag. What is at the end? Quick.
What is at the end?
The school is at the end.
What was at the end?
The schools were at the end.
What will be at the end?
The schools will be at the end. Last.
Okay,
What is
next.
over there?
What is over there?
The tree is over there.
What was over there?
The trees were over there.
What will be over there?
The trees will be over there. Ritvik, ask me the questions. What is out of the city? Quick. Everybody is trying to ask the questions. Everybody is trying to ask the questions. All
There
right.
is There is a car out of the city.
No, you are going to ask me questions.
Okay. What is out of the city?
The car is out of the city. What was?
What was out of the city?
The car was out of the city. What will be?
Be out of the city.
The car will be out of the city. Outside.
Sir, I
the-
want to ask one thing. We can use where also, no?
Yeah, we have
other than
done that. Where questions and answers.
Okay.
Okay, What is outside?
What
the
is
office?
outside the office?
The garden is outside the office.
What was out of the office?
The garden was outside the office. What will be?
What will be outside the office?
The garden will be outside the office, near him.
What is near him?
The scooter is near him.
What was near him?
The scooter was near him.
What will be near him?
The scooter will be near him.
What is on Sunday?
The party is on Sunday.
What was on Sunday?
The party was on Sunday.
What will be on Sunday?
The party will be on Sunday. Very good. Very good. Good job. Rutuja, ask me the questions. What is off the hill? I think connectivity is issue with Rutuja, I think. Rutuja, quick.
What is, yes, sir. What is of the hill?
Okay. The office is off the hill.
What was of the hill?
The office was off the hill.
What will be of the hill?
The office will be off the hill.
What is on the top?
The temple is on the top.
What was on the top?
The temple was on the top.
What will be on the top?
The temple will be on the top. Next, what is behind the door? Quick.
What is behind the door?
The shirt is behind the door.
What was behind the door?
The shirt was behind the door.
What is behind the door?
The shirt will be behind the door. Mayuri, ask me the questions. What is in the city? The first column questions. Ask me all the questions of first column. Quick. Mayuri.
What is in the city?
The garden is in the city.
What was in the city?
The garden was in the city.
What will be in the city?
The garden will be in the city.
What is inside the bag?
The compass box is inside the bag.
What was inside the bag?
The compass box was inside the bag.
What will be inside the
The
bag?
compass box will be inside the bag.
What is at the end?
The program is at the end.
What was at the end?
The movie was at the end.
What will be at the end?
The dinner will be at the end.
What is over there?
My house is over there.
What was over there?
My office was over there.
What will be over there?
My bungalow will be over there. Very good. Good job. Avantika, ask me the questions. What is out of the city? Second column.
What is out of the city?
The museum is out of the city. What was
What was
out of the
out
city?
of the city?
The museum was out of the city.
What will be out of the city?
The museum will be out of the city.
What is outside the office?
The museum is outside the office.
What was outside of the office?
The museum was outside the office.
What will be outside of the office?
The museum will be outside the office.
What is near him?
The bank is near him.
What was near him?
The bank was near him.
What will be the near him?
The bank will be near him.
What is on Sunday?
The program is on Sunday.
What is on Sunday?
The event was on Sunday.
What will be on this Sunday?
The event will be on Sunday. Very good. Good job. Vijay, ask me the questions. What is on the road?
What is on the road?
The car is on the road.
What was on the road?
The car was on the road.
What will be on the road?
The car will be on the road.
What is on the corner?
The school is on the corner.
What was on the corner?
The school was on the corner.
What will be on the corner?
The school will be on the corner.
What is away from you?
The machine is away from me.
What was away from you?
The machine was away from me.
What will be away from you?
The machine will be away from me. Okay. Nandini, ask me the questions. What is off the hill?
What is of the hill? Okay. What is of the hill?
The temple is off the hill.
What was of the hill?
The temple was off the hill.
What will be an answer?
Correct.
What will be of the hill?
The temple will be off the hill.
What is on the top?
The office is on the top.
What was the top?
The office was on the top.
What will be the top? On the top?
What will be?
On the top.
The temple will be on the top.
What is behind the door?
The blazer is behind the door.
What was behind the door?
The blazer was behind the door.
What will be behind the door?
The blazer will be behind the door. Got it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to work on the next question's answer. It is very simple. So you just answer me. Okay, just pick up the question answers from here and answer me. What are they? They are buses. They are spoons. They are pots. They are frying pans. So first 5 questions are singular questions, and second 5 questions are first 5 questions are plural questions. So the answer is in plural, and second 5 questions are singular questions. So the answer is in singular. What are they? They are buses. They are spoons. They are frying pans. They are bowls. They are plates. They are cups. They are kettles. In this way, everybody is going to answer me. All right. Baba Sahib, answer me quickly. What are they? You can change the answers here. Okay. What
Yes,
are they?
sir.
Give me 5
Uh,
answers. Give
yeah,
me 5 answers quickly.
Yes, sir.
What
They are roaster.
5 answers. What
Yeah,
are they?
they are roaster. They are sink. They are kettle. They are head.
Excuse
They are
me.
no.
They are sinks. They are
Okay,
toasters.
sinks.
They
Okay.
are bowls.
Balls.
They are frying pans. It is plural. Plural. You have to
Yes.
make plural. Okay. Once again. What are
Yeah.
they?
They are balls. They are plates. They are cups. They are wires. They are flowers.
What are these?
These are the roasters. We required a yes, no, sir.
No, roasters, correct. But
Yeah.
we do not require the article there.
Okay.
Hmm.
So these are the sinks. These are the
Do not
lamps.
use the. These are sinks directly.
These are sinks. These are lamps. These are parks. These are leaves. These are
Correct.
mouths.
What are those? What are those?
Those are the monitors. Those are keyboards. Those are computers. Those are frying pans.
What are here?
Here are balls. Here are plates. Here are parks. Here are owns. Here are glass.
Here are glass or glasses?
Glasses.
Okay. What are there?
There are cups. There are fans. There are tennis balls. There are legs. There are headphones. There are flowers.
Bowls, that is. Okay.
Balls.
Very good. Got it? Rutvik, answer me. Rutvik, you are going to answer me in singular. You are going to answer me in singular. Okay. 5 answers. You are giving me 5 answers. What is it?
It is a spoon. It is a pot. It is a refrigerator. It is a computer. It is a laptop.
Okay. What is this? What is this?
This is oven. This is toaster. This is sink.
This is a oven,
This
correct?
is-
Or this is an oven, correct?
This is an oven.
Correct. Huh?
And then this is
Watermelon. This
this
is a
is speaker.
keyboard. Okay.
This is
What is
printer.
that? What is that?
That is refrigerator. That is fan. That is monitor. On that is soccer net. That
Okay,
is
good.
kettle.
Very good. What is here?
Here is a cup. Here is a wire. Here is a flower. Here is a keyboard.
Okay,
Here
correct.
is
What
a-
is there? What is there?
And there is a frying pan. There is a sink. There is a keyboard. There is a watermelon. There is a spoon.
Very good. Good job. Good job. Got it. Now Vijay Gaikwad, answer me. What are they? 5 answers. Give me 5 answers, Vijay. What are they?
Okay.
In plural.
They are bushes. They are bowls. They are plates. They are cups. They are toasters.
What
They
are
are
these?
sinks.
What are these?
These are mouths. These are hands. These are monitors. These are keyboards.
What
These
are those? What are those?
Those are monitors. Those are flowers. Those are watermelons. Those are speakers. Those are legs. Those are glasses. Those are fans. Those are spoons.
Okay, and what are here?
Here are spoons. Here are glasses. Here are fans. Here are tennis balls. Here are legs. Here are speakers. Here
Okay,
are
what are there?
pots.
What are there?
There are pots. There are refrigerators. There are lamps. There are heads. There are computers. There are headphones.
Very good. Avantika, answer me.
Yes, sir.
Answer me in singular. Okay, what is it?
It is a cup.
Give me 5
Sir,
answers.
5 or 1.
Five answers.
Okay. It is a cup. It is a laptop. It is a keyboard. It is a flower. It is a wire.
What is this?
Oh,
This is a
this is a sink. This is a plate. This is a lip. This is a hand.
okay. What
This
is that?
a
What is that? What is that?
watermelon.
What is that?
That is a lamp. That is a fan. That is a leg. That is a speaker. That is a headphone. That is a
Okay.
printer.
What is here? What is here?
Here is a pot. Here is a glass. Here is a fan. Here is a spoon. Here is a nose. Here is head.
Very good. Good job. What is there?
There is a toaster. There is a frying pan. There is a refrigerator. There is a oven. There is a computer.
Good job. Mayuri, answer me. What? Answer me in plural. What are they? Mayuri, what are they?
They are spoons. They are
Give me 5 answers.
glasses. They are fans. They are tennis balls. There are speakers.
Okay, what are these?
These are frying pans. These are plates. These are cups. These are toasters. And these are flowers.
What are those?
Those are flowers. Those are cups. Those are plates. Those are frying pans. And
Very good.
those
Very
are
good. Good job.
spoons.
What are here?
Here are pots. Here are fans. Here are tennis balls. Here are speakers.
What are there?
There are headphones. There are computers. There are laptops. There are printers.
Very
And
good.
there are lamps.
Very good. Very good. Good job. Good job. Now you answer me. Yeah, Redmi Note 9 Pro. Right. Can you hear me? I forgot your name. Redmi Note 9 Pro.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I forgot your name. I'm sorry for that. What's your name?
Rutuja.
Rutuja, I will write your name here. Because sometimes what happens when I'm thinking about syllabus, then I forget the name. Rutuja, right?
Yes.
All right, fine. Rutuja, answer me. In plural, you are answering me in plural. What are they? They are buses. Give me 5 answers, okay? What are they?
They are buses. They are glasses. They are fans. They are tennis balls. They
Are you done? तुमचं झालं का प्रॅक्टिस की नाही अजून? मी करून घेतलं होतं का प्रॅक्टिस ऋतुजा?
Yes, sir.
ओके. प्रॅक्टिस करून घेतली होती का मी मगाशी?
नाही.
ओके, आता आन्सर द्या मला. What are these? What are these? Next. What are these?
These are spots. These are lamps. These are computers. These are headphones. These are parts.
Okay, what are those?
Those are notes. Those are laptops. Those are printers. Those are glues.
What are here?
Here are a toaster. Here are lips. Here are monitors. Here are flowers.
Okay, what are there?
There are sinks. Here are mouse. There are keyboards. There are watermelons.
Very good, very good. Good job, good job. Nandini, answer me. In singular now, what is it? It is a bus. Singular. What is it?
It is a spoon. It is a pot. It is a frying pan. It is a bowl. It is a plate. It is a cup.
What is this?
This is a glass. This is a fan. This is a tennis ball. This is a leg. This is a speaker.
What is that?
That is a pot. That is a refrigerator. That is a lamp. That is a head. That is a computer. That is a headphone.
What is here?
Here is a frying pan. Here is an oven. Here is a park. Here is a nose. Here is a laptop. Here is a printer.
What is there?
There is a bowl. There is a toaster. There is a scooter bell. There is a lift. There is a monitor. There is a flower.
Good job, good job, good job. Now we are going to learn about today's last lesson. That is what is used as an occupation. When we want to talk about the occupation, then we use what? What is your brother today? What was your brother 10 years ago? And what will be your brother after 10 years? What is your brother today? My brother is an engineer today. What was your brother 10 years ago? My brother was a student 10 years ago. And what will be your brother after 10 years? My brother will be a chief engineer after 10 years. Okay? तुझे भाऊ आज काय आहेत, 10 वर्षापूर्वी काय होते आणि 10 वर्षानंतर काय असतील. Understand? So there are the lot of answers. Baba Sahib, I have given a lot of answers there. So you are going to answer me now. You are going to answer me. What is your brother today?
My brother is a assistant.
You can select any answers. Okay.
Yeah.
What was your brother 10 years ago?
My brother was pursuing like.
My brother was a student. My brother was a pilot. My brother was a clerk. My brother was a commissioner. My brother was an artist. My brother was an athlete. There are a lot of answers. What was your brother 10 years ago?
My brother was a producer.
10 years ago. This is important. Just make the long answer. What was your brother 10 years ago?
My brother producer.
My brother was a producer.
My brother was a producer 10 years ago.
What will be your brother after 10 years?
My brother will be a senior choreographer after 10 years.
What is your sister today?
My sister is a pilot.
What was your sister 10 years ago?
My sister was a poet 10 years ago.
What will be your sister after 10 years?
My sister will be a commissioner after 10 years.
Everybody is going to ask me the question also after this round. Everybody is going to ask me the same questions after this round. So you should ask the questions also and answer the questions also. All right. Rutvik, answer my questions. What is your uncle today? What is your uncle today?
My uncle is a philosopher. My uncle.
No, only one answer. What was your uncle 10 years ago?
He was a philosopher 10 years ago.
What will be your uncle after 10 years?
My uncle will be a philosopher after 10 years.
What are your uncles today?
My uncle is a philosopher today.
What was your uncle's 10 years ago?
He was a philosopher 10 years ago.
What will be your uncle after 10 years?
He will be a philosopher after 10 years.
Okay, very good. Vijay Gaikwad. What is your cousin today? What is your cousin today?
My cousin today.
My cousin
is assistant today.
What was your cousin 10 years ago? My cousin was
assistant
10 years ago.
10 years ago.
What will be your cousin after 10 years?
My cousin will be assistant after 10 years.
What is your uncle today?
My uncle is secretary today.
What was your uncle 10 years ago?
My uncle was secretary 10 years ago.
What will be your uncle after 10 years?
My uncle
Will be a secretary.
My uncle will be secretary 10 years after.
After 10 years. Okay. Very good.
Yes.
Okay. Avantika, answer me.
Yes, sir.
What is your brother today?
My brother is an artist.
Today. What was your brother 10 years ago?
My brother was an artist 10 years ago.
What will be your brother after 10 years?
My brother will be artist after 10 years ago.
What is your cousin today?
My cousin is a pilot.
Okay, what was your cousin 10 years ago?
My cousin was a pilot 10 years ago.
What will be your cousin after 10 years?
My cousin will be pilot after 10 years ago.
After 10 years, not ago. After 10 years only. Okay. Rutuja, answer me. What
Okay,
is
thank
your
you.
sister today?
My sister is a dancer.
What was your sister 10 years ago?
My sister was a dancer. My sister was a dancer for
10 years
10 years.
ago. 10 years ago. What will be your sister after 10 years?
My sister will be a dancer after 10 years.
Very good. What is your uncle today?
My uncle is a assistant.
What was your uncle 10 years ago?
My uncle was assistant for 10 years ago.
What will be your uncle after 10 years?
My uncle will be assistant 10 years ago.
After 10 years.
After 10 years ago.
Future la after and past la ago. Okay, Nandini, what is your brother today?
My brother is a policeman.
Today.
Policeman. Okay, na
Policeman
today.
Okay. Okay,
Policeman
police
today.
Police officer, you can say. What
Police
was your
officer.
brother 10 years ago?
My brother was a student
10
10 years ago.
What will be your brother after 10 years?
My brother will be my brother will be commissioner for 10 years.
After 10 years.
After 10 years.
Okay, what is your uncle today?
My uncle is a teacher today.
Okay, what was your uncle 10 years ago?
My uncle was 10 years.
Was a student.
My uncle was a student 10 years ago.
What will be your uncle after 10 years?
My uncle will be professor after 10 years.
Mayuri, answer me. Now we are working in the plural. Mayuri, answer me in the plural. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What are your brothers today?
What are your brothers?
What are your brothers?
My
today?
brothers are engineers.
Engineers. Okay. What were your brothers 10 years ago?
They were students.
And what will be your brothers after 10 years?
They will be choreographers.
Okay. What are your uncles today?
My uncles are engineers.
Okay. What were your uncles 10 years ago?
They were poets.
Okay. And what will be your uncles after 10 years?
Cricketers.
They will be cricketers.
They will be cricketers.
Very good. Good job. All right. So in this way, we talked about all the WH questions. We have completed a lot of WH questions today. And tomorrow we are going to work on very important WH question, that is how many and how much. Here we make a lot of mistakes in using how many and how much. So we are going to study tomorrow how many and how much questions in English. All right. So now I am just going to go ahead with some revisions today. Revision of first and second lesson. Revision of first and second lesson. For next 10 minutes, I'm going to do the revision. So lesson 1, here we talked about article. So I just want to give you the difference between our two articles. That is, there are two articles. One is a definite article and one is indefinite article. So definite article, it means the, and indefinite articles, it means a or an. So what is the difference between definite article and indefinite article? What is the difference between the and a or an? So when do we use the? We use the to talk when we make. We use the when we make things, places and persons particular, focused or distinguished. Or when we want to talk particularly about something, some person or some place, then we use the article. And when we do not want to talk about person, place or things particularly, it means we just want to talk about in common or in a general sense, in a general way, then we use a or an article. So what is the meaning of the book and what is the meaning of a book? The book, it means particular book. and a book, it means any book. Got it the meaning? What is the difference between the elephant and an elephant? The elephant, it means particular elephant, and an elephant, it means any elephant. Got it? So this is the difference. So the first rule is like, if you want to make things, places, persons, the particular, then we use the article. Okay, Avantika, काय doubts असतील तर विचारा. Avantika, anybody, if you have got any doubts, you can ask me. Okay. So if you want to make things, persons, places, particular, then we use the article. Second, if there is common noun in the first sentence, and if the same common noun is repeated in the next sentence, then we use the article. म्हणजे पहिल्या वाक्यात जर कॉमन नाउन असेल आणि तोच कॉमन नाउन जर दुसऱ्या वाक्यात रिपीट झाला तरी सुद्धा आपण द वापरतो. जसं I ate a mango, the mango was tasty. Okay. Third rule is what? शाश्वत वस्तू, युनिव्हर्सल ट्रूथ असेल तर जसं द सन, द मून, द अर्थ, त्यांच्यापूर्वी आपण काय वापरतो? द आर्टिकल वापरतो. थर्ड, काही एक्सप्रेशन्स असतात जसं मिडल ऑफ द, टॉप ऑफ द, देन वी युजली यूज द आर्टिकल. लाईक दिस इज द मिडल ऑफ द फ्लोअर, that is the front of the society, this is the corner of the hospital, we use the article. Fourth rule is what? If you want to explain any common noun or describe that common noun in detail, then we use the article. Like this is the beginning I expected, that is the woman I met in the market, this is the child who got the bravery award, that is the time I expected to reach in the office. So in this way, if you want to describe something or elaborate something, then we use the article. All right. The third is, whenever you want to talk about the commands or request or orders, then we use the article. Like turn on the fan, don't turn on the fan, turn off the switches, don't turn off the switches, buy the oven, don't buy the oven, sell the radio, don't sell the radio. So in this way, we talked about the article. Have you got any questions, Avantika? Baba Sahib? Okay, so if we have arranged one special session for the questions, or that is an extra doubt session, that is at night at 10 o'clock. So everybody should attend that doubt session. Many students are attending it, so you are welcome in that doubt session. It will help you a lot, because in that doubt session, we are working on formulas. Today we are going to work on tenses formula. So I think everybody should attend that doubt session. So it will give you a lot of techniques to learn the syllabus easily. You know, the same syllabus you are learning in detail, but in doubt session we are learning in formulas. So it will be helpful for you all. Now second, we have to use a or an. कुठं वापरायचं लक्षात ठेवा. जर वॉवेल साऊंड असेल, वॉवेल साऊंड म्हणजे काय? ए, ई, आय, ओ, यू हे वॉवेल लेटर्स आहेत आणि त्यांचे साऊंड्स कोणते आहेत? ए सेज ä, ई सेज ए, आय सेज ई, ओ सेज ऑ आणि यू सेज अ, हे त्यांचे साऊंड्स आहेत. जर हे साऊंड्स जर रिपीट झाले तर आपण काय वापरायचं? जर कॉमन नाउनच्या पहिला आले तर आपण काय वापरायचं? ऍन आर्टिकल वापरायचं. म्हणजे ए, ई, आय, ओ, यू आले, परंतु यू मध्ये दोन साऊंड आहेत. एक यू सेज य होतं आणि एक यू सेज अ होतं. यू सेज अ म्हणजे काय झालं? ते वॉवेल झालं, तर त्यावेळी ऍन वापरायचं. आणि यू सेज य असेल तर ते कॉन्सोनंट झालं, त्यावेळी आपण काय वापरायचं? अ आर्टिकल वापरायचं. जसं युनिव्हर्सिटीला काय म्हणतो आपण? अ युनिव्हर्सिटी म्हणतो. परंतु अम्ब्रेलाला काय म्हणतो? ऍन अम्ब्रेला म्हणतो. का? कारण का अम्ब्रेलाचं उच्चारण अ न चालू होतं, त्यामुळे आपण त्याला ऍन अम्ब्रेला म्हणतो. आणि युनिव्हर्सिटीचं उच्चारण य न होतं, त्यामुळे आपण त्याला अ युनिव्हर्सिटी म्हणतो, अ युनिट म्हणतो, ऍन अंपायर म्हणतो. ऑलराईट. तसंच इंजिनियरचं ऍन इंजिनियर होणार, एलिफंटचं ऍन एलिफंट होणार, ऍक्टर ऍन ऍक्टर, युनिव्हर्सिटी अ युनिव्हर्सिटी, अंपायर ऍन अंपायर, युनिट अ युनिट, अम्ब्रेला ऍन अम्ब्रेला, हाऊस अ हाऊस, आवर ऍन आवर, मँगो अ मँगो, एमएलए ऍन एमएलए. ओके. आणि हे टेस्ट सर्व मी तुम्हाला टेस्ट लेवल 3 ह्या ऍप मध्ये दिलेले आहेत. आपण ह्या फ्रायडेला टेस्ट कसे सॉल्व्ह करायचे हे पण पाहणार आहे. आपण ह्या फ्रायडेला पाहणार आहे. ओके. आता दिस इज अ बिंगो गेम, दॅट इज अ बिंगो गेम, देयर इज अ बिंगो गेम, हिअर इज अ बिंगो गेम, दिस इजंट अ बिंगो गेम, दॅट इजंट अ बिंगो गेम, देयर इजंट अ बिंगो गेम, हिअर इजंट अ बिंगो. अशी तुम्ही वाक्य भरपूर तयार करू शकता. आणि हे बुक तुमच्या ऍप मध्ये अवेलेबल आहे. ऑलराईट. So we have done with the revision of 2 lessons. Tomorrow we are going to work on how many questions and how much questions, right? Are you enjoying?
Yes, sir.